Today, you'll learn how to add a border to footer in Word. First, go to the bottom of your document and double-click inside the footer area to activate the footer section. Once you're inside the footer, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, find the Borders button. It usually looks like a small square with borders around it. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it. From the menu that appears, choose Top Border. As soon as you click it, Word will add a line above the footer text, creating a border that separates the footer from the main content of the document. If you want to customize the border, click the Borders drop-down menu again and select Borders and Shading. Here, you can change the line style, color, and thickness. For example, you can use a thicker line for a more noticeable border or choose a different color to match your document design. After making your changes, click OK to apply them. When you're finished, double-click anywhere outside the footer area or click Close Header and Footer to return to your document. You'll now see a neat border above the footer that helps separate it from the rest of the page. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.